Fi, ala, min, ila. Fi means in, ala means on, min means from, ila means to. Some preposition in Arabic. Fi, ala, min, ila. Preposition also known as harf in Arabic. Harf. Plural form huruf. Fi means in, ala means on, min means from, ila means to. Fi means in. Al-Bayt means the house. If we add fi before the word al-Baytu, we can see here that the preposition has caused the last letter of tu to change to ti. Fil bayti. If we add fi in front of the ism al-Baytu, the last letter of the al-Baytu that's ending with the wamma tu, that it will be changed to kasar. Fil bayti, ti. Fil bayti, in the house. Fil bayti, in the house. Fi, in. Al-Baytu, baytun, a house. Baytun means a house. If we add fi, a preposition, in front of baytun, the last letter of tun, double tanween, it will become double kasar. Double kasar. Tin, fi baytin, fi baytin, in a house. Fi baytin, in a house. Matbakhun means a kitchen. If we add fi in front of the matbakh, matbakhun, we can see the change. Fi matbakhin, fi matbakhin. The last letter khun, it will be changed to khin. Fi matbakhin. Masjidun, a mosque. Masjidun, a mosque. Ila masjidin, ila masjidin. Baytun, a house. Min baytin, min baytin, min baytin, from a house. Masjidun, ila masjidin. Baytun, min baytin. Kitabun, ala kitabin, on a book. On a book. Ala kitabin, on a book. Al-hilalu fi samai, the moon is in the sky. Al-hilalu fi samai, the moon is in the sky. Ilal babi, to the door. Ilal babi. Minal mudaddisi, minal mudaddisi, from the teacher. Ilal babi, to the door. Minal mudaddisi, from the teacher. Al-miftahu ala al-kitabi, the key is on the book. The key is on the book. Hisarun fil haqli, a horse in the farm. A horse in the farm. Ar-rajulu min al-hindi, the man is from India. Ar-rajulu min al-hindi, the man is from Hind, from India. Al-asadu ala sukhirin, al-asadu ala sukhirin, the lion is on a rock. Al-baladu fil bustani, the boy is in the garden. The boy is in the garden. Al-waladu fil bustani. In this picture we can know about Adatul Istifham, interrogative article. Aina, where. Mada, what is. A, is. Man, who. This verse used to request a question. Question form. Aina, Mada, Man. Aina al-miftahu. Where is the key? Aina al-miftahu. Where is the key? Mada al-kitabi. What is on the book? What is on the book? Amiftahun al-kitabi. Is a key on the book? Is a key on the book? Man fil matbakhi. Who is in the kitchen? Man fil matbakhi. Who is in the kitchen? Mada al-hajri. What is on the rock? What is on the rock? Aina Yasru. And where is Yasir? Yasirun fil hammami. Yasir is in washroom. Yasir is in bathroom. Wa aina Aminatu. Where is Amina? Where is Amina? Aminatu fil matbakhi. Amina is in the kitchen. Amina is in the kitchen. Aina al-kitabu. Where is the book? Al-kitabu ala al-maktabi. The book is on the desk. Al-kitabu ala al-maktabi. The book is on the desk. Wa aina sa'atu. And where is the watch? Wa aina sa'atu. And where is the watch? As-sa'atu ala al-sadiri. The watch is on the bed. The watch is on the bed. Muhammadun fil hammami. Is Muhammad in the washroom? La. Bal fil urfa. No, but in the room. Muhammadun fil hammami. Is Muhammad in the washroom? No, but in the room. Bal fil urfa. Bal means but. La means no. Fil urfa, in the room. Man fil matbakhi. Man fil matbakhi. Who is in the kitchen? Man fil matbakhi. Who is in the kitchen? Aminatu fil matbakhi. Amina is in the kitchen. Amina is in the kitchen. Muhammadun fil hammami. Is Muhammad in the washroom? Muhammadun fil hammami. Is Muhammad in the washroom? La. Bal fil urfa. No, but in the room. Man fil matbakhi. Who is in the kitchen? Aminatu fil matbakhi. Amina is in the kitchen. Mada ala sadiri. What is on the bed? What is on the bed? Mada ala sadiri. What is on the bed? As-sa'atu ala sadiri. The watch is on the bed. The watch is on the bed. Ana tabibun. I am a doctor. Ana tabibun. I am a doctor. Ana talibatu. I am a female student. Ana talibatu. I am a female student. Anta mudaddisun. You are a male teacher. You are a male teacher. Anta mudaddisun. Anta mudaddisun. You are a male teacher. Anti tabibatun. You are a lady doctor. You are a lady doctor. Anti tabibatun. Anta, it used to male person. Anti, it used to female person. Masculine. Anti tabibatun. You are a lady doctor. Huwa muhandisun. He is an engineer. Huwa muhandisun. He is an engineer. Hiya mumaddilatun. She is a female nurse. She is a female nurse. Hiya mumaddilatun. Hiya used to female person. Huwa used on a male person. Aminatu fil matbakhi. Amina is in the kitchen. Min ayna anta, where are you from? Min ayna anta, where are you from? Min ayna anta, where are you from? Ana min as-Sin. I am from China. أنا من الصين. I am from China. We can see in this picture الجملة الفعلية والجملة الاسمية. Verbal sentence and nominal sentence. ذهب أحمد إلى الجامعة. Went Ahmed to the university. أحمد ذهب إلى الجامعة. أحمد went to the university. خرج المدرس من الفصل. Went out a teacher from class. المدرس خرج من الفصل. The teacher went out from the classroom. أحمد طالب. أحمد is a student. أحمد طالب. أحمد is a student. هو طالب جيد. He is a good student. جيد means good. هو طالب. هو means he. أحمد طالب. هو طالب جيدا. جيد. He is a good student. محمد خرج من الجامعة. محمد خرج من الجامعة. محمد went out of the university. This all جملة اسمية nominal sentence. محمد طالب. Muhammad is a student. Type of khabar a noun. Ahmadu waliduhu zakiyun. Ahmad, his father is intelligent. Waliduhu zakiyun. His father is intelligent. Khalidun dhahaba ila al-mustashfa. Khalid went to the hospital. Khalid went to the hospital. فاطمة في المطبخ. فاطمة في المطبخ. Fatima is in the kitchen. الطالب, you can use the word sick. مريض. الأم at home. في البيت. القرآن, we can use noble book. القرآن الكريم. البيت, we can use open. مفتوح. الباب مفتوح. الباب مفتوح. المريض, we can use went to the hospital. ذهب إلى المستشفى. المهندس hard working. المهندس مجتهد. المهندس مجتهد. The engineer is hard working. آمنة, a kind girl. Aminatu. Al-Kaabatu, house of God. Baytullah. Al-Kaabatu Baytullah. Al-Kaabatu Baytullah. Jumlatun fi'aliyya. Dhahaba Ahmadu ila al-Jami'a. Went Ahmad to the university. Dhahaba is a verb form. Fi'al form. Went Ahmad to the university. خرج المدرس من الفصل. Went out the teacher to the class. This is جملة فعلية, a verbal sentence. أنت من فلبين. من أين أنت؟ أنا من الهند. أنت من الفلبين؟ لا، أنا من إنجلترا. I am from England. من أين حامد؟ الحامد من يابان. حامد من يابان. من من الصين؟ خالد من الصين. خالد من الصين. vocabulary revision. المدرسة the school. الجامعة the university. الصين China. اليابان Japan. المدير the director. الهند India. الحقل the farm. Al-Bustanu, the garden. Al-Asadu, the lion. As-Sakhru, the rock. Al-Urfatu, the room. Al-Faslu, the classroom. Al-Hammamu, the washroom. Al-Mirhadu, the toilet. Al-Mirhadu, the toilet. Al-Matbakhu, the kitchen. As-Sa'atu, the watch. Kharaja, he went out. Zahaba, he went. Fi, in. Ala, on. Ila, to. Min, from. Aina, where. A, is. Mada, what. Ana, I am. Anta, you, to masculine. Anti, you, feminine. Huwa means he. Hiya means she. Al-Jumlatul Ismiya, nominal sentence. Al-Jumlatul Ismiya to nominal sentence. Al-Jumlatul Fi'liya to verbal sentence. Nominative case, Halatul Raf, Halatul Nasb. Accusative case, Halatul Jarr. Genitive case, Al-I'rabu, the cases. Harful Jarr, preposition. As-Sadiru, the bed. Tabibatun, a lady doctor. Tabibun, a male doctor. A doctor. Muhandisun, an engineer. Muhandisatun, a female engineer. Muhandisatun. Ummun, a mother. Mumaddilatun, a lady nurse. Jayyidun, nice. Good. Very. Al-Mustashfa, the hospital. Zakiyun, intelligent. Mujtahidun, hardworking. Kitabun Muqaddasun, noble book. Tufahun, an apple. Akala, ate. Shariba, drank.